Hello everybody, this is Sam from Souza Wholesale Trailer. Today I'd like to show you two different brands that they are built the same. So I have here behind me a Cargo Mate and a US Cargo. So we're gonna go on each one and show you all the features for this trailer. So first of all, it's Cargo Mate. This it is 6.5 wide. So if you have a side-by-side, you can put it in here. If you have a zero turn, it will fit in here really perfect. 7-foot high interior, so you can get your side-by-side in. One-piece aluminum roof, 16 on center on the floor, 16 on center on the wall, and also the frame on this one, it's 16 on center. Comes with the D-rings on the floor, and let me show you something here. You got a really nice wing on the back and also rear stabilizer jacks. One-piece aluminum roof. This it is for the Cargo Mate. Now let me show you the US Cargo future. So the difference, this it is engineer board. Also has one-piece aluminum roof. 16-inch on the floor, 16 on the wall, and this one here it is 24 on the ceiling. They have one-piece aluminum roof, rear stabilizer jacks, D-rings, and also on the front, this one has a slant V-nose. And both of them, I'd like to show you one little detail. They both have the rear stabilizer jacks. So you can use this as a garage. You can use this here so you can get your motorcycles in. You don't need to be connected to your vehicle. We also tested a couple times over here just to see how it works, and works perfect. They usually go for $6,200, and we have it in special for this month for only $59.75. We have about 12 units left that we're running the special. So instead of paying $6,200, this is gonna cost you only $59.75.